Hey guys, the smartphone industry has seen a lot of innovations in the past few years and is now seemingly moving towards the idea of having a foldable smartphone. Samsung, one of the most popular smartphone companies, does not intend to be left behind in the smartphone race and is already working on its own foldable device. According to leaks by a Korean publisher The Bell, Samsung's foldable smartphone will have three OLED displays in a single device, all 3.5-inch long diagonal, which can be unfolded to become a 7-inch tablet, much like Huawei's two-display pattern design. The displays will open and close like a book and use the main frontal display when the device is folded back into a phone size. The upcoming foldable device is unofficially called Samsung Galaxy X for now, and the company has confirmed that it will arrive in 2019. For now, there are no details available on how exactly the model will work. If Samsung manages to launch this device before Huawei, LG and other competitors, it will become the first company to launch a truly foldable smartphone. For now, all we can do is wait for one of the companies to officially announce their upcoming smartphone. Stay tuned for more updates to subscribe about the foldable future of smartphone, and yeah, see you soon.